Adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Tank back for another video. Today we're back on Evolution Roleplay, playing with the LSPD Tahoe. I believe this is a 2019 version, 2018, 2019, I'm not too sure. We're going to be getting on patrol today. It's got radio traffic. Got our cars all set up. We are wearing short sleeves today. See what kind of trouble we can get in today. Let's hop on radio traffic. Lincoln 504, 1041, 108, active supervisor.
Adams, it's going to be 97 code 32 SSIA to activate M1.
Lincoln 504, what's active call?
We have a MIA officer. It's going to be 1 King 03. He was driving a 2020 unmarked Explorer, unknown of lost.
10-4. Okay, so right now we're gonna have a kidnapped officer. Give me a look for him. I'll have a last known. Outlook, right down on right. Okay. That King 03 just left.
King 03, 1042. Have a good one, guys.
10-4, did you want us to carry on with this scene? I'm assuming not.
22.
Copy.
Okay, so that essentially is 22, meaning since the guy had to leave, we're just gonna describe the scene. We're gonna be getting out and doing some radar, so we're gonna get our radar set up. You do 50 on Josh, 35 on Alhambra, and 70 on highways, but we don't really go on the highway, so we don't gotta worry about that. So we're gonna come over to sit here where we were yesterday, see if we can run some radar. Also see if we can catch some people running stop signs.
Number 2, attempting to pull over 2 dirt bikes. We're going to be southwest Algonquin Boulevard. And looks like they're going to be taking off from us. I'm going to be going for the guy in the red top. We're going to be heading westbound Algonquin, taking it right onto East Joshua down to Warcraft.
Link 54, I'll be secondary. We're heading westbound Joshua Road, so 3028.
I'm going to be advised the bike is going to be heavily smoking.
10-4. So we turn to a parking lot westbound Route 68, getting back on westbound Joshua Road.
Passing a stop sitting.
We'll be approaching Joshua. He's taking the fork on the right into the Route 68 approach. And southwestbound, whistle 4011. He's going to be flipping a U-turn. He's going to be going down. So, disregard, he's going to be going southbound Route 68 approach. How we back on the West Joshua Road, looks like. He's going to be at a storage place.
Heading towards Route 68. Taking a left on Route 68. Heading east, Route 68. Taking a right off road. Heading south or east, Route 68. Up on the hill. Take a left. Nearest postal will be 4006, heading back down towards Route 68.
Okay, so we're kind of lost trying to find this guy.
Back on Route 68.
Looks like he's on Route 68.
Heading east, postal 4025. Passing fruit stand.
Okay, yeah, so they're right up here. Gotta catch up with them. Since you're on a bike, we can't really hit them unless they get very dangerous to the point where we can ran them off our bike.
Going off-road next to Yellowjack. Heading into Yellowjack parking lot. Heading back out on Panorama. Passing gas station Panorama. Going over train tracks. Took a right on East Joshua Road. Heading northeast, East Joshua Road. Taking a right on Marina. Proceeding to Nowhere Road.
Ten zero this time.
10-0. He's not in there.
I'm checking here.
Yeah, the gate's been pushed open slightly, might be.
Yeah, push the gate open.
We would have seen it. We would have seen some footprints or truck prints, huh?
I think I hear him. So right now we're just trying to scare the area. Talking my one back here. So searching. 5-4, I hear him. He's somewhere around here.
Copy. Is he still in the?
He's gonna be on the outer skirts of the recycling center. I hear his dirt bike out there.
Which side?
Over here, over here. He's right there, he's right there. No, is that the wrong bike? I'm moving the wrong bike.
Different bike, but same person.
Same person, yeah.
Oh, stamina.
What happened to you, losers?
Okay, so we had eyes on him. We're gonna see if we can regain eyes going down the highway. Chicks in our road though too. Before I got them, they're exiting the freeway now.
Copy on route.
Getting back on the freeway on common lanes.
Which way is it heading?
Eastbound. Kind of towards U-Tool. Also 3050. Stop! Stop the bike!
You stop! You stop! You stopping!
That's U-Tool coming for Josh. That's Josh and Union. Continuing northbound Smart Freeway. Also 2043. The HD sync got hit down by accident. 1070. Please stop! Stop now, please! Please stop now! Back towards the freeway.
Don't fucking move.
What the fuck?
Oh boy, you're in a
Sirens?
lot of trouble.
Yeah, it's
You're
up
in a
free.
lot of
Mic
trouble.
check. Loud and clear.
Why you running, bud? Why you running, buddy?
Where does Buddy go?
He's
Oh shit.
okay, so that guy just the guy in the green. When we hit them on the hard like he seemed like a bitch. And I just ran him over, I guess.
That was loud.
Mr. Jason Brooklyn. Why you running from us? Okay, sir, you have to recommend on anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to return. You cannot forward one will be provided for you by State San Andreas. Do you understand the rights I've read? Do you have these rights in mind? You wish to talk to me now. Okay, cool. Okay, sir, so you're gonna be, we'll say on that dirt bike, so you're gonna be taken down for, fleeing and looting, on the dirt bike, fleeing and looting in a vehicle, evading on foot, reckless driving, speeding 100 plus, a couple more charges. I'm gonna sit you in the back, watch your head. You gonna talk to me at all today? Sir? Mr. Brooklyn?
Hello?
Alright, now we're just gonna start running the CAD system. It's gotta be honest because our CAD system's down right now. Jason Brooklyn, conduct of felonies, warrants, arrest, citations.
Copy. I don't know, too, Charlie 5, I'm already going to be in E1012 with Delta 2 doing session 1 OG.
This guy that I've arrested, he's got 4 warrants for bank robbery. Looks like he's got murdered 5 police officers. He's going to be going away for a long time.
Copy that. This guy's going to be 1144. I can't find any ID on him. He has got a taser, though.
He's got a taser. Wow.
So I'm just going to see if it's a state-issued one or whatever.
Is it like a gun, or is it like just like a taser? You hold up to someone and you tase them?
No, it's actually a taser.
Hey, buddy.
Hey,
Hey, best bet's to take a detour.
well, I'm kind of stuck here. And I need to let the engine cool down, because for some reason when I tried to stop, because I didn't see you guys at first, I don't know why, but I think I might have error in my brake system, because I ran off the road. My brakes didn't really work.
Okay,
So
is
I'm
that how
gonna
you...
shit out a bit.
Okay, I just let you know, sir. In the state of San Andreas, you're not allowed to have underglow. Also, you have improper vehicle safety equipment, so you have to get a repair job right away unless you want some tickets.
I'm on my way home to fix it.
Okay, okay, cool.
I live just down
Okay, just
here.
make sure to also
so
take the
it's-
underglow off, though, too.
I mean, I can turn it off right now if you want to.
Yeah, I know, but you're not allowed to have... You're gonna, like, underglow on your personal property, but you can't have underglow...
I'm only going to be doing session 1 of his OJT, and I'm going to be
turn it off,
going
please.
42 anyway, so
Just
if you do
one
want to go
button.
and ride along, you're more than welcome if you want to stay.
Go on the red along with who?
Charlie 5's going to ride along with you, because I'm only going to be on to do session 1, and session 1's more or less done now anyway, so...
Is he allowed to do session 2?
No, but you can just go on a 10-12 with him. Oh, he's going off anyway.
Why do I need 10 to 12? I'm not cadet.
Ah, you're not. Sorry, brain fart. My apologies. Okay. So the taser comes back to a Ryan Watkins. It's not a state-issued taser, so... Well, he's 1144 anyway. I haven't got any ID on him, so I'll just call County Coroner for a John Doe.
What the hell am I watching?
Watch him call in the corner. Oh, can you tell off his bike?
Alright, bud. Oh, you can slash respawn whenever you're ready, bud.
Okay, let's get this guy down to the station. Link above 4, show me 1065, Sandy PD. So, buddy,
What's up?
why are you running?
I thought I could escape.
Thought you could escape, but why'd you run in the first place? All you did was run a stop sign.
No, I was speeding and doing wheelies.
Yeah, man, that just been a couple tickets. Now you're going to jail, man.
And I had some warrants too.
Yeah, you could have prevented all that, man. We could have worked that all out for you, but now you're going away for those warrants now too, on top of other charges.
I got trust issues with cops, man.
There's no need to have trust issues with us, man. We're just trying to protect you guys.
Yeah, I see that.
So we're gonna take this guy down to Senate Shores Police Department, where we have a booking center there. We'll have our county corrections office come pick him up there. looking at corrections. Actually, might have some guy doing corrections. Not sure. Let me actually ask if this guy's doing corrections. Hey, Slaughter.
Yes, sir.
Are you doing corrections?
Sorry, what?
Are you doing corrections? Because I saw you in like a corrections uniform when I walked in today.
You know me. I'm not a fucking cop. I just play a cop to shoot people.
Oh, okay.
Couldn't tell you the first damn thing about law.
Okay. So since he's not doing corrections, we're taking this guy. Yeah, he is invisible, I know. Everybody, I'm gonna place you in this cell. Face the cell. Face the wall, I mean, until I get out of the cell, okay? Understood?
Yep.
Ah, shit.
Okay, so yeah, session 1's done. Obviously, if there's
Okay, so we're gonna get Lincoln 5-4, show me back to your name. So, we're gonna get back on patrol.
Alamo 2, it's going to be 10-7, 10-42. Have a good evening.
Whatever you do, sir. This camper actually has some neon headlights. Looks like green underglow too, so we're gonna be stopping him for that. Link 5-4 should be trying to pull over a looks to be a neon green camper.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Do you not see emergency lights?
No, I didn't.
What did I tell you about the underglow? 5-4, can I get addition?
What's the 20?
Whistle 3010, northwestbound Marina Drive, Alhambra Drive. On a green camper.
Delta 2, 1023.
Hey, what's up? I didn't know you were a sheriff.
Oh, I keep spawning in wrong vehicles. Come on.
Pulling this guy over because, I get sheriff change deliveries also. Pulling this guy over because, he was carelessly driving through Sandy Shores. Also, he has green underglow and, green neon lights. Just get an addition in case he runs or just gets a little aggressive.
Alright. You just step out, baby.
If you want to run back to the station, grab your vehicle, you can, and meet me back over
Yes,
here.
I got it. I just got delivery.
Okay. The
Is he not in there?
He's not in there anymore.
Yeah, that's what I thought. He got into a muscle car.
That black muscle car.
It was a silver, looked like a Mustang, old Mustang.
2-4.
Not really sure where they went. I know they drove past, like, behind the 7-Eleven, or 24/7.
I think I saw him over here, not too sure. This might be them up here. No, this ain't them. Just kind of looking for this vehicle now. Since he ran, I can search it now. I have the vehicles going on Alhambra by the police station. Driver, turn off the car. Driver, turn
Code
off the
5.
vehicle.
God.
Back up a bit. Back up a bit as he runs.
Bro, why?
Show us your hands. Show us your hands.
Oh, what? He's breaking my car.
Not
He's
this
breaking,
again! Why this again? You
He's
always do
breaking
this
into my
to-
car.
You always do this to me when we get pulled over.
Driver, can you step out the vehicle for us?
Yeah, of course. What do you want me to do, sir? Forget that.
Just put your hands up.
Sure.
Alright, if you can face away
Buddy,
from
why are
me.
you running from us? I know it's your green camper.
What's up? Nah, he
I'm
said not
just
to arrest
gonna-
me yet. He said not
I'm
to
just gonna
arrest me.
detain you.
What?
You're not gonna be arrested, you're just gonna be
I'll be
detained.
very responsible.
Buddy,
Alright.
Yeah.
why are you running from us?
Yeah, I don't. He's like he's like an old friend from high school, and I guess obviously he hasn't been too successful if he's in with all these
Did
cops.
you pick him up from that green camper?
No, I didn't pick him up. He called me. I guess he had ran away.
Okay.
I didn't. He didn't tell me anything. Like besides, he's like, yo, like he basically said my car broke down, and I was like, yeah, sure, I'll help my buddy out.
Buddy, why are you running from me?
That's not true.
Yes, buddy, I know you're running from me, bud. Why?
No, right, I'll tell you what I heard. Right, so he said get in my car because they're gonna arrest you for reckless driving and the underglow. So I got in this car and then yeah, that's how we ended up here.
What?
Who do you think I'm supposed to believe, buddy? The guy in cuffs or the guy without cuffs?
Alright, okay, racist.
It's not racist, sir.
Well, I'm being serious.
I'm just saying, sir, you ran from us, and this guy pulled over.
Nate, you think you can not message me that?
What's that? What happened? Oh, sir.
You got anything that's calling you that's gonna stick, poke, or stab me? Any shape or form?
No.
Hey, Senator, make sure. Do you mind if we just search your vehicle, make sure there's nothing there that you might put in stuff in your vehicle, stuff
Sure.
in your seats?
Sure. Go for it.
Okay. Okay, sir, what's your name?
Brody Fitzpatrick.
Okay, yeah, you're the guy that ran from me.
There you go. It's all off now.
Hey, watch your head. You recommend sign anything you say can will be used against you in court of law. You have the rights to a train. You cannot afford one. We provide for you by state San Andreas. Do you understand the rights I've read to you? Having these rights in mind, do you still
Yes.
want to answer my questions?
No questions.
Okay, watch your head. Okay, so we're going to take this guy down now for evading, I guess, 1 foot.
Well, his front door doesn't open.
Okay.
Already. Oh, what's up? My front door doesn't open. Oh, there. No. There it is, sir. Actually, sir, I'm afraid my door is gonna get taken off. Do you mind if I close it?
Okay, I got nothing really, just paper and some water bottles. Okay, sir. Sir.
Yeah, what's up?
So you said this guy, he called you. He hopped in your vehicle, didn't say much words.
Yeah, basically, he said that his car broke down, and I was like, okay, sure, I'll help you out.
Do you remember where you picked him up at?
I picked him up just, you know, the gas station down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I picked him up, like, a little further down from it.
Okay, how long ago did you pick him up?
Not too long ago, maybe, like, 3-4 minutes ago.
Was he next to a green camper?
He wasn't, I saw the green camper, it was being, like, pulled over or whatever, but, nah, he wasn't too close to it.
Did he say anything when he hopped in the vehicle?
No, he said just go.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. You're good to go, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Anytime.
Okay, sir. Today you're going to be taken down, sir, for fully unloading on foot because you hopped out of your vehicle, ran from us, and then you evaded in a vehicle in the passenger seat.
Even though he told me to, but okay.
Sir, I don't believe you at this point.
Well, I'm being serious, but okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, let's get down to the station and get you booked. Cool.
Can I have a lawyer? Can I have a lawyer at the police station for roleplay purposes?
We don't. Our judicial system is down, so therefore, no.
Oh, okay.
Link 5-4 suspect custody, showing 1065 Sandy PD.
Turn back on 4.
Sir, have you ever went to jail before?
Yes,
Okay, you have. Okay, so you're already in our system then.
multiple times.
Why do you continue to run from the cops? You just know we're gonna catch you at some point. You're also not very good at getting away. So when we get in the cell, I want you to face the wall when I let go with you. Till I get out of the cell and lock it. You are to stay in the cell facing the wall. Once I get out of the cell and lock it, you will then come up and I will uncuff you, okay? Understood?
Okay, I'm calling lawyer.
I don't know how you can call him if you, or I took everything off of you.
I want a lawyer.
Okay, sir, come to the cell, so I can uncuff you. Cool. Okay, stand by while I get all your charges, okay? Guys, now we have to find this guy's charges. So he's looking at, he had the camper with the green underglow. I'm not going. He's saying he's calling a lawyer when I never gave him a phone and took everything off him, so I'm not gonna roleplay that with him. He's looking at evading a vehicle, fleeing on foot. It's been 200 days. County jail. Yeah, it's really looking at 200 days. He don't really have anything on him. No other charges that we can give him. Okay, buddy. We're going down to the county jail today for 200 days.
Oh, I want to
Hey,
my lawyer.
I'm here.
Understood?
I'm here.
Lawyer.
Yes.
Right, you gotta get out, bud, because he didn't have a phone to call you, so I'm not RPing that with him. Also told me there's no judicial system, so he didn't actually call you because there's no judicial system, and
Gotcha.
I didn't give him a phone to call you. Our judicial system being down, we don't really do lawyers,
Yeah.
which sucks, but it should be back up shortly.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, it's been real with you. Hope you guys have a nice rest of your day. Stay positive, stay smiling. I'll be clocking out today. Been fun. Oh, no, what type more videos you want to see? Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on push notifications. See you guys later.